Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Bosch washer E36 error code in 2026. Now this E36 error code often appears when the water remains trapped inside the washer. So if the machine cannot fully drain, the door may stay locked for safety. So you can just simply use the emergency drain hose or manually drain the excess water through the pump filter area. Once the water is removed, you can try opening the door again. If the lock releases, it means that drainage restriction was likely the main cause and you have successfully resolved it. But if in your case the issue still persists, the second thing that you need to do is to simply clean the drain pump filter thoroughly. For that, you just have to locate the lower access panel and inspect the pump filter. Remove any kind of blockages such as coins, lint, hair, or small clothing items. A clogged filter can prevent the proper draining and then trigger the E36 error repeatedly. Now, many Bosch washer includes a manual emergency release tap near the pump filter. So you need to simply pull it carefully to unlock the door. If this works for you, it means that the issue may involve the electronic latch rather than mechanical door failure. Now, if the drainage and the lock components are functional, the control board may be misreading safety conditions. So persistent E36 errors may require professional electronic diagnosis. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.